Canada. The correct answer is letter C, Canada.
Australia. The correct answer is letter A, Australia.
Philippines. The correct answer is letter A, Philippines.
Colombia. The correct answer is letter B, Colombia.
Argentina. The correct answer is letter C, Argentina.
Kazakhstan. The correct answer is letter B, Kazakhstan.
Portugal. The correct answer is letter A, Portugal.
Switzerland. The correct answer is letter B, Switzerland.
Indonesia. The correct answer is letter C, Indonesia.
Azerbaijan. The correct answer is letter C, Azerbaijan.
Morocco. The correct answer is letter A, Morocco.
Kyrgyzstan. The correct answer is letter B, Kyrgyzstan.
Czech. The correct answer is letter C, Czech Republic.
Mozambique. The correct answer is letter B, Mozambique.
Zimbabwe. The correct answer is letter B, Zimbabwe.
Turkmenistan. The correct answer is letter C, Turkmenistan.
Luxembourg. The correct answer is letter A, Luxembourg.
Seychelles. The correct answer is letter B, Seychelles.
Djibouti. The correct answer is letter A, Djibouti.
Liechtenstein. The correct answer is letter C, Liechtenstein.
Hey English Together, you finished the quiz. Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you liked the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video.